ain't just doing this for an ordinary reason. He performs this not just for the people to neither watch nor be amazed, but also for the people who listen. God created man to protect and be the caretakers of his entire creation. But right now, one of his creatures is in great danger of extinction. They may be very mean predators from the wild. They may have sharp teeth and powerful tails. But if, and only if, they could only speak right now, we'll surely hear the call for help. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a walk for a cause. A walk for you to pay attention to these crocodiles that cannot help themselves from becoming the most critically endangered species in the world. At this point in time, they need us to fight for their right to live and continually exist for future generations. If we won't respond to recall, our children and our children's children will be missing a lot for not seeing one of the living legacies of the dinosaurs era. If we will try and begin to respond to recall, we may also feel God's trust for making us the people, the protectors of this beloved creature.
Baliao, Davao City, Manghapon, Mindanao. Welcome to Crocodile Park, Davao. It's the only crocodile park here in the Philippines, bringing you the tightrope walking. This is an art of walking along a thin rope without using any safety harness. And underneath are hungry, swarming saltwater crocodile, waiting for our tightrope stunt artist to fall on the water. May dalawang taong magpapakitang gilas ngayong hapon. Dalawang taong tutulay sa puting lubid. Gagawin po nila ito. Magpapakitang gilas just to entertain you guys this Saturday afternoon. Okay, palapakan po naman natin our first tightrope stunt artist. Palapakan po naman natin. Limutan ko sa pangalan. Kuya Noel! Okay, a.k.a. Boy Bagsik. Boy Bagsik. Alright. Mga kaibigan, siya po yung unang tutulay. Pagkatapos po niya, may kasunod pa po. Okay, mas nakakatakot yung gagawin. Mas nakakatakot yung mukha. Kasunod. Alright. Now mga kaibigan, si Kuya Noel, siya po yung tutulay sa puting lubid. Gagawin po ito na walang safety harness. Before we start the show, paalala, I'd like to remind everyone, please don't try this at home. Napakadelikado. Don't try this at home or anywhere. Okay, especially for kids. Kids, wag na wag itong gawin sa bahay kasi walang crocodiles doon. Ha?
Ayan, sinagot ko.
Okay. Ayan, si Manang, handa-handa na ba? Boy Bagsik, handa-handa na. Alright. Our first tightrope stunt artist is ready. Handa-handa na rin bang mahulog? Si Manong? Hindi na. Okay. Alam ba kung nasa ka, kuya? Alam naman. Ladies and gentlemen, hinihingi lang po ni Manong Boy ay isang masigawang palakpakan! Manong, on your first start, let's get it on! Ay, ako. Bantayan po ninyo yung kasama nyo, mga lalaki. Baka mag-iba yung singaw. Ako. Ay. Gagawin po ni Manong sa kanyang unang song sa napang ligado. Ayan, nakaluhal ka habang nasunod. Palakpakan po naman natin. Okay, concentrate. Ayan. Ayan, kaya. Uy. Ay. Nako. Alright. Okay, kaya. Masal! Ay! Alright. Palakpakan po naman natin. Manong Boy! Bagsik! Sa kanyang unang start ng mga kaibigan, tightrope walking. Nagsimula po ito sa South Korea. Tawag po nila ay Zultagi. We have Koreans here. Okay na. Tawag po nila ay Zultagi. Kakaiba lang dito kasi sa baba ng ating tightrope stunt artist ay mga buhaya. Manong, handa ka na ba sa iyong pangalawang start? Handa na. Ladies and gentlemen, on the next stunt. Let's do it. Manong Boy. Here we go. Hey! Alright. And on the next stunt, ladies and gentlemen, we are about 100 saltwater crocodiles underneath. Naghihintay kay Manong. Ayan, nakati-4. Ay! Concentrate! Ay! Palakakan po lang natin! Wow! Kung kinabahan po